hopefully we can get the boat up and running. I gotta fix this little hole. Just put it in there, and there's a bait box, as you can see over there near the fire pit. I got like a little fire pit there, but there's a bait box that ran across here, and this pipe goes up underneath of there to let water in for the bait or whatever. So I need to fix that. Then I need to fix this front and get the rest of these nails and stuff out of here. And I got a piece of board inside so I can stick it back on here, and then I give my trolley motor to be able to sit up higher so it don't, because it always banged up against this. It really needs some work. I don't know, I thought about selling it, trying to buy another one, but I put new tires on it and rims. The old ones are kind of shot. I've hit it with the lawnmower a few times on accident. Needs a paint job and everything, but it's a nice little boat still. It's sit out here for like, I don't know, 15 years though. So, and then if you guys don't know, I did buy a kayak. There's my little bait box. This is my garden. I made a bunch of those because I had that idea on YouTube. I figured maybe it'd work. But there's my kayak. It's a Brooklyn FK 184, I believe. I don't know, it was the cheapest ones, like 500 bucks. But as you can see, I had it chained up to my fence. It'd be hard for anybody to steal it, because my shed really ain't big enough to fit this in there up on top. And I wanted to put it up there, but I don't know. So now I just got to get some boat tags for it and all that, and I can take it out, because here in Ohio you got to register them and have boat tags. So that's my next project. It's only like 20 bucks for 3 years. But I had it laying up there against the fence, and I laid it down now. And the reason why is I watched a video from Natty up north, and she gave me the great idea that, you know, pressure points. You got pressure points on these kayaks, and when I had it sitting up like that, I had all the weight on this side. So I need to figure another way to turn around and lock it up there. I don't know how I'm going to do it, because it really ain't long enough. So maybe I'll just put it over there in the dirt, and it won't be so bad for this year. For now anyway, or so. But I gotta hang those up on that fence. I'm gonna try to put that fence back together, make it a little better over there, and hang those up there over there, and get rid of this, because I did have them right here, and as you can see, is a big leaf pile. I made these little boxes from my garden too. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I just wanted to let you guys know. I'm getting there.